When it comes to brightening natural-looking skin without imperfections, an airbrush makeup kit can be your solution. However, among plenty of options out there, it's pretty challenging to get a suitable airbrush kit according to your preference. So, in today's video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 best airbrush kit for professionals that you should check out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Starting with the Temptu Airbrush 2.0, which is a beginner-friendly option with a professional touch. Sounds exciting. Yes, it's designed for light coverage that gives a flawless and natural look. Its 0.4 mm nozzle offers continuous airflow for optimal foundation application. Because of this, you will find this kit ideal if you are a beginner and want light coverage to hide all your blemishes, acne spots, and dark circles. This kit comes with 12 different shades of foundations with poppy pink blush, matte bronzer, and champagne shimmer highlighter that are easily custom blended. So, you can easily mix the shades according to your skin tone for an even and spotless finishing. Its built-in primer application removes your visible pores for a dewy and luminous finish. Thus, you will get a long-lasting and moisturized finishing over the day with its skin softening agent. Besides, it also includes an airbrush cleaning kit that has 3 different sized micro brushes, lube, brush cleaner, and micro dropper, which allows you to have hassle-free cleaning once you're done with your makeup session. Lastly, its skin perfecting formula lets your skin quickly absorb the pigment and nourishing extract, and offers you an ergonomic design that makes it lightweight to avoid hand fatigue during a long time of holding. Afterward, we have the Belloccio Complete Airbrush Cosmetic Makeup System, which will give you a quick, easy, and flawless touch-up in mere minutes. You'll be impressed with its endless possibilities for customizing your preferred shades. With the Belloccio airbrush, you can apply your makeup in a fine mist that sits evenly on your skin and does not clog pores or feels cakey. It makes your makeup light as air and allows you to achieve a smooth and flawless skin. Furthermore, this kit includes 17 different shades that come in 4 fair, 4 medium, 4 tans, and 5 dark complexions, along with charming lily blush, radiant bronzer, champagne shimmer highlighter, and large anti-aging moisturizing primer. You can easily blend multiple shades of these water-based foundations to create a flawless skin tone with a natural base. As it is formulated with anti-aging oxidants and moisturizers, you will get a soft and glam look throughout the whole day. Keeping your skin hydrated, it will feel very light on your face and doesn't clog your pores. Hence, your makeup will last long without any touch-ups. Moreover, it's safe for sensitive skin and is dermatologist recommended. Alongside, its airbrush cleaner offers easy cleaning to your airbrush kit after use. Thus, you can reduce the chance of bacteria and fungus attacks on your face. Overall, this Belloccio airbrush is designed to conceal wrinkles, acne, spots, fine lines, freckles, and many more. You can also use it to tan your face to create a more attractive look. Coming up next is the Temptu Air Perfect, a cordless device that allows doing your touch-up even when you're on the go. The quality ingredients of the foundation offer a long, hydrating, and age-defining formula for a radiant, healthier, and younger look. It offers 3-speed airflow with soft touch control so that you can adjust and customize your makeup amount to create full, medium, or sheer coverage. Featuring precision application, this airbrush will be your magic eraser for diminishing fine lines, blemishes, pores, and uneven skin tone. so you can instantly blend it on your face to get a long-lasting finish. As it is designed for AirPod applicators, you don't need to go through the hassle of cleaning it, so get a more hygienic and mess-free makeup experience. Moreover, its perfect canvas AirPod foundation includes 24 shades that range from alabaster to cocoa, allowing you to do makeup on any skin tone. The foundation is 4 times more hydrating than hyaluronic acid and features an anti-aging complex of peptides, fruit extracts like goji berry and white birch. And its water-resistant formula keeps your makeup constant even though you're sweating. As a result, you will get proper moisturized coverage all day long without cracking your makeup layer or skin irritation due to dryness. In short, this Temptu Air Perfect is an ultra-lightweight design with long life that makes it perfect choice for creating a healthy and radiant complexion on all skin types. Whether you're a passionate makeup enthusiast or a professional makeup artist, the Art of Air Professional Airbrush is the perfect match for you. This kit is designed for home and professional users to customize your shades and is an easy application. This Air Professional is designed in a way to provide your skin an ultra-fine mist of makeup that will allow you to achieve a flawless and natural complexion. Its airbrush compressor features fully adjustable settings that allow you to control airflow for even coverage. So, no matter what type of look you want to create, whether a natural or heavy party look, it will set your skin with an even and smooth texture. Additionally, it comes with 6 different light to medium shades of foundation including Mocha, Suntan Glow, Buff Beige, Honey, Sand, and Golden Olive. Apart from the foundation, its Papaya Blush gives a natural pigmentation, and the Tropical Bronzer works as a radiant enhancer. The Pearl Shimmer Highlighter gives a shiny glow to your cheeks, and the Hydrating Primer moisturizes your skin for day-long coverage. It means you will get the entire all-in-one kit to finish your touch-up more professionally. Cleaning your airbrush is not so hassle anymore as it comes with a 4-ounce airbrush cleaner, and while traveling you can carry in the deluxe carrying bag that comes with kit. Lastly, this Art of Airbrush is a pretty good deal if you want a professional looking device in a much more affordable range to brighten up your skin complexion instantly. Finally, we have the Luminess Air Basic Airbrush system that offers a versatile range of shades to create a healthy natural tone with a perfect glow. When it comes to doing makeup professionally, this kit will be your rescuer for its wide range of shades. Coming with a powerfully advanced rose gold airbrush system, it delivers flawless and professional results just in the comfort of your home. This legend is designed expertly to feature a whisper, quiet yet powerful motor that produces an even and continuous airflow. With the patent stylus, you can apply makeup with precision and have a beautiful, smooth, and natural-looking skin. Additionally, this 4-in-1 silk foundation comes with premium quality ingredients that will last up to 18 hours with smooth coverage, allowing you to use 10 times less makeup. Besides, its key ingredients including toss serums, moisturizers, and conceals make this foundation an all-in-one makeup kit. Thus, it minimizes the wrinkles and rough texture of your skin and helps to create a soft look. Apart from the foundation, you will also get blush in a complementary color and a Love Illuminator that will offer you more natural pigmentation for a glowing look. Summing up, this entire package of Luminous Air Basic Airbrush system includes Bulgarian Rose Serum Mist, Lip and Eye Compact as complementary skincare products. So, ensure a professional touch-up for revealing your youthful and natural complexion. So these are the 5 best airbrush kit for professionals. Hope you find this video insightful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos helpful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.